Hello, welcome to the online training for the Hip Hop Hills Intervention Classroom. If you are viewing this video, you have been accepted into the online class and are ready to begin. The goal of this video is to show you how to get started in the online training. To get started, open the email that you submitted when you enrolled in the online class. There will be an email sent to you with the title Microsoft Teams. When you click that email, it should look like this. It'll tell you you've been added to the intervention classroom. So then you want to select Open Microsoft Teams. Here you have three options. The first option is to open Microsoft Teams if you have downloaded it onto your device. The second option is if you want to download Microsoft Teams but you have not already done so, you can select the download Microsoft Teams app option. And then the third option is to avoid the download of the app and use the web app instead. So you can, if you have Teams already, you can simply open Teams. If you do not have Teams but you want Teams, you can download the app. And finally, if you prefer to use the browser option, then use the web app instead. I will say that it appears that downloading the app creates the smoothest and most efficient learning experience. However, it is your choice. If you launch the app and you do not have an account, it will say use another account to sign up. Again, use the same email that you submitted when you signed up for the online training. And it will say you don't have an account, which you don't yet. Under the UIC banner, you do not. So you select sign in with the one-time code. Tell them to send the code. Go back to the email address and receive a Microsoft verification code. Copy that code back to Teams and enter that code in that email and select sign in. I always select only sign me into Teams. And it says, welcome to Teams. You're a guest at University of Illinois, Chicago. Continue. So once you open Microsoft Teams and you have the app, select Open Microsoft Teams, and this will take you to everything that you need for the class. The place that you would like to begin is in your class notebook. Select that tab. It says Welcome to Class Notebook. And then you want to select these books on the bookshelf here. Once you select the books, then you go to Content Library. Then you go to Manual. Under Manual, you will see everything that you need for the class. The first thing you will see is your online syllabus. You can save it onto your computer and then open it. This is your contract for the online training. It has contact information and important information about what you need for the class. After the syllabus, you have an introduction video. Each section of the online class training has an introduction video. You select that video and Dr. Adil will welcome you to the class. Once you hear the video or view the video, then you go to the reading for that particular section. So if you go to Introduction, then you go to Module 1, you see the introduction video, you view the video, then you review the information for the class. And you see the number of sessions in Module 1. There's the reading material. Once you finish reading the material for Module 1, then you go and you complete the Module 1 discussion question. It states, why do you think the group therapy is the preferred treatment choice? It is important to note that there is no right or wrong answer for discussion questions. We are interested in your perspective on the information that's covered in the class. You will have replies by Dr. Adil and other individuals who are completing the training. It's just an area for discussion. Once you complete the discussion question, then you want to go to class assignments. Under the Assignments tab, you have your homeworks and your quizzes. The order of completion should be discussion question, homework assignment, then complete the quiz. For the quizzes, you need a 70% to move on to the next module. Take the quiz. You can take it as many times as you need to. Once you complete the quiz is graded immediately and you will see your score. Once you complete the course, you will be sent a certificate, and if continuing education credits are available, that information will be sent to you as well. If you have any questions about your participation in the course, you can email Dr. Jalil Abdul Adil at adil@uic.edu. You can also email Dr. Alvin Farmer at afarmer@uic.edu. Thank you for your enrollment in this online training. We look forward to working with you in the future.